Hello everybody, welcome to the third Gaelic song lesson for feisarainnonline. And today we are going to do a recap of Brochan Laum, which we did in lesson 2. We are going to continue with the song that we started in lesson 2, which was NicFhionghain. And we are also going to do another song called feisarainnonline, which is a very well-known Gaelic song, and it's nice and simple to learn. So yeah, looking forward to this. Let's have a quick sing through Brochan Laum just now. So that was the reel that we had a wee look at in lesson 2, and that one was Brochan Laum, Tana Laum, Brochan Tana Seinn. So let's take it from there, okay? After as Jerry Cahir, okay? In ja, 3 Cahir. Brochan Laum, Tana Laum, Brochan Tana Seinn. 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 Brilliant. And then the B part. Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Laum, Tana Laum, Brochan Tana Seinn. Okay, let's try it all the way through from the top. Hin, ja, 3 Cahir. Brochan Laum, Tana Laum, Brochan Tana Seinn. 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 Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Tana Tana Tana, Brochan Tana Seinn. Brochan Laum, Tana Laum, Brochan Tana Seinn. Griva, everybody, well done. Very well done. Let's have a little look now at the song, the last song that we started before the end of lesson 2, which was NicFhionghain. So this is the one, ho van gurry oko. So I think we learned the chorus for this song before. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just have a wee recap of the chorus. Okay, so the chorus goes, so I'll sing a line, you guys sing it back. Okay? Ho van gurry oko. You guys try that. Ho van gurry oko. The next bit is gurry oko, gurry oko. Try that. Gurry oko, gurry oko. The next bit is ho van gurry oko. Try that. Ho van gurry oko. The last bit is Gun gabav mogul skun yagemi. Gun gabav mogul skun yagemi. Gleva, let's try the chorus all the way through. Hen agus ya. Ho van gurry oko, gurry oko. Gurry oko. Ho van gurry oko. Gun gabav mogul skun yagemi. Gleva, well done everybody. Let's have a wee look at the first verse. So the first verse, I will just go through the Gaelic with you just now for the first verse. Okay, so the first line is Gach min shaw. Let's try that. Gach min shaw. Na hi neg e. Let's try that. Na hi neg e. And then that last bit is repeated twice. Na hi neg e, na hi neg e. So na hi neg e, na hi neg e. Greva. Gach min shaw, na hi neg e. So let's try that. Gach min shaw, na hi neg e. And the last bit is Nuair Galav. Let's try that. Nuair Galav. We'll try that again. Nuair Galav. So Nuair Galav. The next bit is Mi Vuain. Mi Vuain. So Nuair Galav, Mi Vuain. Nuair Galav, Mi Vuain. And the last two words are Nam Brulakan. Nam Brulakan. So Brulakan is the word, that last word there. So that last line is Nuair Galav mi Vuain Nam Brulakan. Okay, Nuair Galav mi Vuain Nam Brulakan. Gleva. Okay, so I'll sing you a line and you guys sing it back to me. Gach min shaw na hi neg e. Gach min shaw na hi neg e. Next line is na hi neg e, na hi neg e. Na hi neg e, na hi neg e. Gleva. Gach min shaw na hi neg e. Try that. Gach min shaw na hi neg e. The last line. Nuair Galav mi Vuain Nam Brulakan. Nuair Galav mi Vuain Nam Brulakan. Okay, let's try it. Let's try the whole thing. The whole first verse. Okay. As Joey ga. Okay, after two. Own agus ga. Gach min shaw na hi neg e, na hi neg e, na hi neg e. Gach min shaw na hi neg e. Nuair Galav mi Vuain Nam Brulakan. Chorus. Ovan, ovan, gadioko, gadioko, gadioko. Ovan, ovan, gadioko, gun Galav mogu, Skyniagemi. Galeva, everybody. Okay, so the second verse. Let's go through the Gaelic for that. It's Hwyr. Okay, so can we say Hwyr? Hwyr mi lorok. Hwyr mi lorok. Let's try that. Hwyr mi lorok. Andorin dyn. So that's Andorin dyn. Let's try that. Andorin dyn. Andorin dyn, Andorin dyn. Andorin dyn, Andorin dyn. Galeva. Hwyr mi lorok, Andorin dyn. Let's try that. Hwyr mi lorok, and do, rein, down. Then the last bit is schadúr. Schadúr. Let's try that. Schadúr. So that's a sch. So it's ch for loch, and there's a wee s before it. Schadúr. Schadúr. Let's try that. Schadúr mi lorok. Try that. Schadúr mi lorok. Mohanjachan. Mohanjachan. Okay, so I'll sing a line, you guys sing it back. With me lorok and dorin dain. With me lorok and dorin dain. Next bit is and dorin dain. And dorin dain. Try that. And dorin dain. And dorin dain. With me lorok and dorin dain. Try that. With me lorok and dorin dain. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Gleva. Okay, let's try singing the second verse all the way through into the chorus. In agus, yeah. With me lorok and dorin dain. And dorin dain. And dorin dain. With me lorok and dorin dain. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Chorus. Hovan garioko. 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 Hovan garioko. Gun galav moguv. Skun gagemi. Gleva, everybody, this is great. Okay, let's have a wee look at the third verse, okay? So the third verse is Huer mi lorok. So it's the same start as the second verse, okay? So that's Huer mi lorok. Try that. Huer mi lorok. Ne hial. Try that. Ne hial. Eran trav. Eran trav. Ne hial eran trav. Try that. Ne hial eran trav. Ne hial eran trav. Ne hial eran trav. Huer mi lorok. Let's try that. Huer mi lorok. Ne hial eran trav. Ne hial eran trav. Schadúr mi lorok. Try that. Schadúr mi lorok. Mohanjachan. So it's exactly the same ending and the same start as the previous verse, okay? Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Gleva. Okay, I'll sing a line, you guys sing it back. With me lorok na hial trav. With me lorok na hial trav. Next one is na hial trav. Na hial trav. Na hial trav. Na hial trav. With me lorok na hial trav. With me lorok na hial trav. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Schadúr mi lorok mohanjachan. Okay, let's try the third verse all the way through. En agus, ja. Hwyr mi lorog na hialer yn traf, na hialer yn traf, na hialer yn traf. Hwyr mi lorog na hialer yn traf, schadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Chorus. Hofan, gadioko, gadioko, gadioko. Hofan, gadioko, gyn gabaf mogul, sgyn gagemi. Believe that, everybody? Okay, let's horse on. The fourth verse starts off exactly the same way. Hwyr mi lorog. Let's try that. Hwyr mi lorog. Hwyr mi lorog. An lui vrich yerek. Okay? An lui vrich yerek. An lui vrich yerek. Okay, so we've got a ch sound at the end of vrich. So we've got a ch. Okay? So if you think about it, you can say it by saying something like loch Karen, okay, loch Karen, or och. If you can say och, you know, then you can say vrich, okay? So, lui vrich gerak, okay, lui vrich gerak, okay? So it's hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Geliva? An lui vrich gerak. An lui vrich gerak. Try that. An lui vrich gerak. An lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Schadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Okay, so that's exactly the same last line as the prior two ones. Okay, excuse me. So chadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Okay, I'll sing a line, you guys sing it back. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. 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 Geliva? Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Schadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Schadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Geliva. Let's try the fourth verse all the way through, okay? As Joey ga, okay? Yn agus ga. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. An lui vrich gerak. An lui vrich gerak. Hwyr mi lorog an lui vrich gerak. Schadwyr mi lorog mochan iachan. Chorus. Hofan, gadioko, gadioko, gadioko. Hofan, gadioko, gyn gabaf mogul, sgyn gagemi. Geliva, everybody. We've just got one more verse to do. Woohoo! And that is hwyr mi lorog. Hwyr mi lorog. Y hio sy fain. 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 Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Try that. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Okay, so that's exactly the same verse ending, okay, as before. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Try that. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Okay, I'll sing a line, you sing it back. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Y hio sy fain, y hio sy fain. Y hio sy fain, y hio sy fain. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Okay, let's try that verse all the way through. Agus ga. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Y hio sy fain. Y hio sy fain. Hwyr mi lorog y hio sy fain. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Believe that, everybody? I think that we could sing the whole song all the way through. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, so we're going to sing it from the chorus, and we're going to then go into verse 1, sing the chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, chorus, verse 4, chorus, and verse 5, chorus. Funnily enough. Okay, let's give it a shot. Agus ga. Hovan, hovan, gerioko, gerioko, gerioko. Hovan, hovan, gerioko. Gun gawav mogul, skun yagemi. Verse 1. Gak min shone hinege, ne hinege, ne hinege. Gak min shone hinege, nor the gawav mi voin brulaken. Chorus. Hovan, hovan, gerioko, gerioko, gerioko. Hovan, hovan, gerioko. Gun gawav mogul, skun yagemi. Second verse. Hwyr mi lorog yn ddorin dain, yn ddorin dain, yn ddorin dain. Hwyr mi lorog yn ddorin dain. Schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Chorus. Hovan, hovan, gerioko, gerioko, gerioko. Hovan, hovan, gerioko. Gun gawav mogul, skun yagemi. Third verse. Hwyr mi lorog ne hjalir yn traf, ne hjalir yn traf, ne hjalir yn traf. Hwyr mi lorog ne hjalir yn traf, schadwyr mi lorog mochynjachin. Chorus. Hovan, hovan, gerioko, gerioko, gerioko. Hovan, hovan, gerioko. Gun gawav mogul, skun yagemi. Fourth verse. Hwyr mi lorog yn leifrich gerag, an laifrich gerag, an laifrich gerag. Oer meelborok, an laifrich gerag, schat oer meelborok, mochen jochen. Chorus. Hovan, hovan, gadioko, gadioko, gadioko. Hovan, hovan, gadioko, gun abav mogul, sgun yakemi. Fifth and final verse. Oer meelborok, Josevein, Josevein, Josevein. Oer meelborok, Josevein, schat oer meelborok, mochen jochen. Chorus. Hovan, hovan, gadioko, gadioko, gadioko. Hovan, hovan, gadioko, gun gabav mogul, sgun yakemi. Oh, well done. It's feisarainnonline, folks, which means well done, everybody. Now I'm going to get a wee sip of water, so I'd advise you all to do the same if you haven't already done so. So I'm going to have a quick wee sip. And we're going to have a quick wee chat about the next song. So we'll not be able to do all of the next song because there's not quite enough time in today's lesson to do it. But I'll sing you the song through. It's a very well-known song, very well-known tune, and it's called feisarainnonline, which means cutting the bracken. Okay, and it's a song, I suppose it's a little bit of a kind of unrequited love song where there's a young girl who's working very hard on the hillside cutting bracken, and she's very tired, and she's all by herself cutting bracken, and she thinks it's going to be forever. So she's obviously really, really, really sick of cutting this bracken, and she's absolutely dying to go home. But she's also missing her sweetheart. So she's obviously also missing the love of her life, and it doesn't look like it's. It looks like an unrequited love song, which means that that maybe the relationship hasn't actually lasted, and so she seems quite sad about it, which probably also adds to feeling so lonely, cutting bracken forever. Ha mi ski feisarainnonline. I am tired and I'm alone. Feisarainnonline dúnan. Cutting the bracken forever. But it's actually it's a really cheery wee tune. So I'll sing you the tune, and then in lesson 4 we'll have a crack at it. So the song goes: Ha mi ski feisarainnonline, feisarainnonline, ha mi ski feisarainnonline, feisarainnonline dúnan. That's the chorus. Ha mi ski feisarainnonline, feisarainnonline, ha mi ski feisarainnonline, feisarainnonline dúnan. Stryka va mi hin smolanen, aunsa graunen hjover, Geistjoch kosher vinjen tode, Seinn sa helje goel. Stryka va mi hin smolanen, aunsa graunen hjover, Geistjoch kosher vinjen tode, Seinn sa helje goel. Ha mi ski feisarainnonline, feisarainnonline, ha mi ski feisarainnonline, Buain aranich dunan. Hamiski smidum hin. Buain aranich, hamiski smidum hin. Buain aranich dunan. So well done, folks, for today, for attempting that entire new song and NicFhionghain. Well done. And we will go through Buain Naranich tomorrow and another song as well. And we'll do a big recap of all the songs that we've done all together on feisarainnonline. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lesson.